this year's enlargement package, which has given or brought a new dynamic in the enlargement process. And this is something we are now building on. And yes, you're right. Today it is more than ever about the security, and Europe cannot be secure without Western Balkans. This is a mistake from the past. We have to do it better or correct these days. And I'm happy that this kind of meeting we have through the growth plan are opening more and more new doors. You have named 7. Thank you for this, and more will be open, and home of Europe is waiting for you. You already are a part of Europe. We just have to make it institutionally in the sense of you becoming a member of the EU. Today we are here for a stock taking, to see what is going well in the growth plan and where we need to do more. And we are now 2 years into the implementation of the growth plan for the Western Balkans, 2 years out of 4. So this is the half-time, and we need to have a half-time talk. We have quite a lot to celebrate, but at the same time we need to be honest that 2 out of 6 have not yet started passing reforms. We haven't started with a growth plan implementation. The 2 best performers have passed about 50% of the agreed reforms, and here we see a clear connection between advancing in the accession process and delivering reforms. And in terms of funding released, we are still below 10% of the total amount, which is 1.6 billion euro. 400 million, as you have said, the idea of a 6 billion package have been allocated to the region. So we can do and must do better collectively. I would like to use today's discussion to plan for the second half of the growth plan implementation. So where can we do more? Where can we support you better? The European Commission really wants the growth plan to succeed. Recently, I have often talked about the need to enlarge the enlargement, to integrate all our neighbors as soon as possible into more and more EU policy areas, into parts of the single market, into our energy market, into pan-European value chains. And we want to make the European Union a lived reality for your citizens already today. You've been speaking about